Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. This is PnwRcMadness, and we are back again today here in beautiful Puyallup, Washington. Got the birds flying above. Anyways, guys, we're back here today with the LMT, ready for our third speed run. We put a bigger pinion in it. We actually turned up the speed control, the Tekin RX4. We're running the Tekin 3300 kV motor. Not super fast. We're just doing this for fun, everybody. So check out the view, check out the truck. All right, everybody, gonna try to make this a short video real quick. I got the suspension tied down just a little bit, so here we go. Let's put the body on. Let's give it a rip. All right, guys, here we go. This is gonna be our first test run. All right, here we go. That was pretty slow. This is a 17 tooth. I feel like we're only getting about 38 miles per hour. Look at that, 38.9. The motor is pretty much maxed out. I could probably put a bigger pinion on here, but I'd have to cut this and then I wouldn't be able to put the gear cover on. I'm tempted to do it, but not with the 3S motor or the small motor. So let's go ahead, give it one more run, see what we can do. Zero out, zero this out. Timer stopped. All right, so last run, guys. Probably should turn the steering down. Turn it down to like 57. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's better, I can already tell. Yeah, I need to center up the servo. So we're gonna call that good. So here it comes, guys. Still hard to steer. All right, that's it, 38.4. So Alright guys, so that's gonna have to end the video. We did end up getting 39 miles per hour. Check it out. 39 exactly on the dot. So we actually went out and had a little bit of fun. Thanks for watching the channel, guys. If you do like this video, please do leave me a big thumbs up, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will talk to you guys later.